Let's try this one here. You know, she fits tight. People talk about fitment. There you go, you guys. You see it here. They fit really nice.
Shout out to Olsa Tools, who sent me this set here. This is their long extractor wrenches, metric 7-piece. This is the metric set, as I said. And I just got this set today, so I've got virtually no mileage on it. So I just want to be clear and transparent about that. I wanted these because every once and again, given that I like to work on old Chevys here in the Midwest, anything in the Midwest will rust. It doesn't matter if it's a tractor or a truck or a car, whatever it is, if it's outside, it gets exposed to the elements and salt on our roads, it will rust over time. And so these wrenches are designed to combat that fluting profile, that when you engage, you are essentially cutting into the bolt in a way, you're increasing your contact zone, and therefore you're putting more force into the faster to help get it off. I'll tell you, these wrenches are highly effective when they can fit the faster properly, meaning that they can get on there and get a good bite, and when the material that they're working on is not low quality. So the higher the quality, still like a grade A bolt, these things work great, because once it deforms enough of the material, it doesn't deform any further, and thus it will spin it off with a little bit of persuasion, meaning penetrant oil and heat. Now always remember, you're going to need those two elements in addition to any type of extractor tool. Doesn't matter if it's a wrench or a plier or a socket, you still need to add heat, especially here in the Midwest. Maybe not you boys out there in the Midwest or the West Coast and the Southwest or whatever, you guys may not need to use that, but here in the good old Rust Belt, we do.
I would test out some of these Olsa Tool long extractor wrenches. Now, oh yeah, she fits on there good, boy. Yeah, she bites, boys. I don't know if the sucker's on it, but yeah, she bites. Take a look real quick. Just a quick video. All right. So, ooh, almost dropped it. So you can see she bites on there, but it doesn't mar up the faster. I can rub my finger across there. I'm not getting cut, not getting metal splinters. All right, I'm out of here, guys. I will catch you in the next one. It's time to go inside the house and get some tea. All right, guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.